Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. And this is going to be part 9 of the build series. We're going to be working on steps 11 and 12, which is to install the upper deck. So we need to find the upper deck, which is this piece right here. And one thing you need to take note of is that one side, these two holes are countersunk. And this is going to be the bottom, so we have to flip it over like this. And that's to accommodate these two pieces. This is the antenna, and this is the damper mount. So let's go ahead and do those first, get those out of the way. And that's going to be this piece right here. And it's going to be one of these small flathead screws. And I believe these are going to be 2 millimeters. And again, we're going to need some thread lock. This hole is going to be in this position. And then the next piece, this is for the receiver antenna. That's this piece right here. I probably won't use a receiver that has a long antenna, but I'm just going to install this anyway. And this go in this direction. Okay, there we go. All right, let's start working on these standoffs right here. These are going to be in the front. And the screws we're going to use are going to be these right here. So we got 2 of those. And these are the 2 standoffs. And the 2 black washers we have left. And these posts have 2 sides. We want the side with 2 straight edges facing up. The screw is going to come from the top. Again, we need some Loctite. And then one of the washers. And then the end of the post with these straight edges. Do the same on the other side. Okay, so those are those 2 right there. And then let's move on to the back. And these are going to be a little bit different. Let's grab that post. And this is going to be 1.5 millimeters. And again, we're going to need a little bit of Loctite. And we need to screw this in with 9 millimeters protruding. And let's see how far that is. That is pretty close. Maybe a quarter turn more. Before we continue, we need to take a look at these 2 body posts. One of them has a flat side and the other doesn't. And the one without the flat side is going to be on this side. So first thing we're going to do is put a little bit of thread lock on this end. Then we're going to put this spacer on. And I'm going to pick the one without the flat side. And then we're going to work on this other side. And we kind of need both of these pieces to line up. I don't know if you can see that, but the flat side is lined up. Okay. All right, I think we're done with this step. We're going to bring back the chassis pieces that we've already built. And we're finally going to put everything together. So it's going to sit together something like this. Okay. And we just need to put 4 screws. And they're going to be these ones right here. And again, we're going to need some Loctite. But let's just start right here on this side. Once the first one goes on, everything else is going to be easier. Alright, and we finally have something that looks like a car chassis. It's pretty neat. Alright, that was part 9 of the build series. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.